Way out in the calm, quiet country, there was a happy little farm. A kind-hearted farmer lived there and was especially proud of his favorite worker, Reggie the donkey. After another hard day's work, the farmer pats Reggie on the head and thanks him for his hard work and dedication. As the farmer turned to walk away, suddenly, Reggie slipped and fell into the gaping mouth of an uncovered well. The farmer was terrified. He didn't know what to do to save his little friend Reggie. He could hear Reggie's cries echo out. He was trapped with no way out. Overcome with sorrow, the farmer decides he will put Reggie out of his misery and bury him in the well. The farmer cries as he buries his best friend. He believes this is Reggie's sad funeral. The farmer whispers to himself, he deserved better. Reggie cries out as the heartbroken farmer drops shovels of dirt on his good friend. Reggie was startled to feel the dirt raining down on him. He was sad and very scared. Reggie started to give up. He believed he was going to die. He laid down depressed and defeated. It's over. Then a spark of courage struck Reggie's heart. I won't give up. As the dirt fell, he shook it off and stepped up. Again and again he did this. Finally, Reggie jumps out of the well, covered in dirt but full of joy. Every time he shook off the dirt and stepped up, it created a mound for him to rise up to freedom. Overjoyed and relieved, the farmer hugs Reggie. His best friend is alive and back by his side. They both learned a great lesson that day. No matter what happens or how dark it gets, it's okay to feel the weight of the matter, but don't give up. Shake it off and step up. Jesus said, I have told you all this so that you may have peace in me. Here on earth, you will have many trials and sorrows, but take heart, because I have overcome the world.